The symposium has proven to be a wonderful opportunity for 10th, 11th, and 12th graders to explore various areas of science, to conduct really college-level research, and to have the experience of presenting in front of a jury and have their work evaluated and judged. I think that that's something that high school students rarely have the opportunity to do. I think the impact on the school is outstanding because it gives another venue for students to work more independently, and frankly I think public education needs to be providing a lot more authentic experiences for young people to work on their own and conduct their own research.
So I actually tested the effects of music on biological processes such as heart rate and blood pressure. Just designing your own experiment is something that you have to really think through, and you have to revise over and over so that you make sure it's as accurate as possible, because there's always going to be room for error, but you have to figure out how to work all those kinks out of your design. The Maxfield Symposium is important because it teaches students how to participate in empirical research, and it's something that some students may participate in when they go off to college. I know for me that's something I'm really into.
There's the obvious incentive is that there's a cash reward. The foundation, the Berkley Education Foundation, has made that available. It's a pretty significant reward. So I think that that's the biggest incentive. But then the second one is just the opportunity to conduct independent research, to be judged by a panel, and to hold your work up for examination in a way that normally is just done for grades.
Snake, I would place the gecko in a large container and let them kind of roam around for a couple minutes just to get used to the surroundings themselves. And then after that, I would place the snake on the opposite side of the tank and watch and record their responses for 5 to 7 minutes.
I was superintendent of the Berkeley schools for about 6 years. I was deputy superintendent for 4 years before that. Berkeley's still very much in my heart, and so naming the symposium after me was just a real tribute. I'm not positive as to why that decision was made, but again, it was one that I truly value.